Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here with a collaboration video with the beautiful Beauty with Junie B. Stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dwale Devonica and I am here with another video for you guys today. So today I have a really exciting video. I am doing a collaboration with my YouTube sis, y'all. This is my longtime YouTube sis. She's my college mate. We went to college together. So this is a very exciting video for me. And it is with Beauty with Junie B. You guys, make sure you go over to Beauty with Junie B's channel and check out her amazing content. She has a beauty and lifestyle channel. So on her channel, you will find bomb wig reviews and tutorials. Y'all, when I tell you, if there is a wig that you are on the fence about, that you might be looking at online, I guarantee you that Beauty with Junie B has done a review on it. And all of the wigs that she does reviews on, y'all, they look so good on her. There is not one wig that she cannot rock. She can rock any wig. She also does makeup tutorials. She also does health and wellness videos. So there's a variety of beauty and lifestyle content on her channel that I know you guys will absolutely love. So make sure you go over to her channel, support her, and subscribe. And like I said, y'all, I have been knowing her for a long time. We go way back. So what we wanted to do for you guys was we wanted to show you guys a wig review perfect in time for the holidays. And we also wanted to show you one of our favorite Bath & Body Works scents. So if you're interested in watching, please stay tuned. All right, y'all, so my favorite candle from Bath & Body Works that is perfect for the holiday season is Sweater Weather. I absolutely love Sweater Weather. It has this aroma that just puts you in a cozy mood. Every time I light it, I like to get my throw and lay on the couch and watch a good movie. This is my favorite. The only thing is with this candle, it is very hard to get. Every time I have tried to buy this candle online, I can't find it and I have to go in the store, and the associates always tell me that candle is hard to keep. We sell out of it so quick. So yes, y'all, Sweater Weather is an amazing candle, perfect for the holidays. And y'all, I'm gonna tell you guys some of the notes that are in this candle. There is fresh sage, juniper berry, aromatic eucalyptus, fresh woods, and essential oils, y'all. So if you are able to find Sweater Weather at Bath & Body Works, I would definitely say try it. You will not be disappointed. Thank me later. Okay guys, so next I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on this unit that I'm wearing. All information will be at the bottom of this video on this unit. And when I get through showing you this tutorial, I will give you a review of what I think of the hair. Okay guys, this hair is from Arabella Hair and it is a seller on Amazon. And I'm just showing you guys how the wig came packaged. It was packaged nicely and there is a net covering the wig to protect it. There are 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, and a elastic band. And there is 4x4 lace on this wig. And as you can see, I just cut it. And now I'm getting some foundation powder and just putting it all over the lace so that the knots don't show. And I'm putting on the wig. And guys, as you can see, you can still see my wig cap. So I'm going to fix that later. Don't worry. Now I'm putting some foundation on the wig cap. And that did help it look a little better, but I still will end up fixing it later. And now I'm just flat ironing the wig. Y'all, it flat irons magnificently. And y'all, this wig was only $40. I will leave information below on this unit. It's really nice. It's soft. It doesn't tangle. I love it so much. And as you guys can see, it is very healthy looking. And now I'm just putting some more foundation powder in the part, and that's going to make it look better. And now I'm doing TikTok dances. Don't mind me. And now I'm just flattening out the wig a little bit with my wand curlers. And overall, y'all, I love this wig. It's so pretty. It's so chic. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick tutorial on how I styled this unit and got her together. I wanted to share with you all my thoughts on this wig. Would I buy this wig again? Does this wig shed? So let's get into it. I love this wig, y'all. When I tell you guys the hair is so soft, it's really soft, and I can just run my fingers straight through it. As you can see, as far as the shedding, I did notice a little shedding, but that was after I cut the lace. So I may have cut a little close to the hairline, and that's probably why I saw shedding. But other than that, I did not see a lot of shedding. As far as the parting space, I love it. As you guys can see, there is 4 inches of parting space on this wig, and this is a 4x4 lace closure. And I really like it, y'all, because typically I don't do middle parts. I think I look weird with a middle part, but sometimes I will rock them occasionally. So for this to be a middle part wig, I absolutely love it. As far as the density of this wig, I think that it is very full. I do like that. And I know I get this question a lot from people about units. Is it big head friendly? This is a big head friendly wig, y'all, because I have tightened the straps in the back, and there is still like a bunch of room. And I would say that I have a small head. I don't have like a really large head, so that kind of gives you an idea of the cap size. So yeah, I would say that this unit is big head friendly. So would I purchase another unit from Arabella Hair, or would I purchase this unit again? I absolutely would, y'all. I love this hair. It flat ironed so beautifully. And like I said, the hair is so soft and it's silky. And as you can see, it looks really healthy. I like the cut of the wig. I love bobs. I think that bobs are just a classic style that will never end. So yes, y'all, I love this wig. I recommend this wig. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. As always, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to go over to Beauty with Junie B's channel and subscribe to her page as well. Also, follow me on Instagram at DwaletDevonica. Follow me on Snapchat at DwaletDevonica. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.